Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am discuss most important thing is pronunciation. The sound of the common spelling. Here are the different type of the letter capitals and alternative spelling. Let's start. Here word B, b, ball, ribbon, D, the, dog, at, field, f, f, fan, cliff, phone, laugh, clap, often, g, grapes, egg, ghost, guest, catalog, H, 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 head, who, J, jelly, cage, giraffe, edge, soldier. Next, kite, cat, crown, queen, bag, acclaim, box, flock. Next, leaf, spell, monkey, summer, climb, autumn, plum. Next, nest, funny, night, nut, nung, ring, sing, tongue, p, pig, happy. Robert, carrot, wrong, rhyme. Sun, mess, circus, rice, horse, tap, bottom, Thomas, map, mapped. Next, van, van, screen, five, W, verb, web, Y, quick, Y, opinion, judge, year, zebra, goose, cheese, S,